So ayun, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin itong aming app na TrabaSearch. So, ito po yung pinaka-homepage ng aming TrabaSearch app. So, yan. Ito yung mga posted job na nakapost dito sa TrabaSearch. Yan. So, ito yung mga steps kung paano gamitin itong aming app. How it works. Here's the step on how to find and apply job by using the TrabaSearch application. First is register an account. You need to sign up first and fill up the information needed, especially on your Gmail account. Don't use a fake account Gmail because you don't verify your account if you use a fake account. So, dapat yung gagamitin natin dito is real talaga na Gmail account mo kasi hindi mo siya mabe-verify talaga at hindi ka makaka-sign in. Next is find your job. You can now find your job by using the search bar. Just type your search job and select Kawayan City. Note, the location of the posted job here is only available in Kawayan City. So, kung yung job na hinahanap mo is nasa ibang lugar, hindi mo siya makikita dito. And next is the job location. You can see the location of your desired job. And lastly, apply for job. Just fill up the information needed and upload your resume. So, start na tayo. So, ang una natin gagawin is sign up muna. Yan. So, dito. And last. So, dito sa email, dapat, yung totoong email talaga, yung active email mo talaga, ang ilalagay mo dito. So, ito yung active email ko. Yan. Dito naman sa password, dapat strong siya. Yan. Yan. So, dito, hindi naman tayo employer, kaya itong I agree the terms and condition. And sign up. So, yan. We send you email verification to your email. Please check and confirm your email address. So, yun. So, ito na siya. Yan. Be-verify na natin siya. So, ito na siya. Fully verified na siya. So, i-log out na lang natin dito at sa app tayo mag-login. Yan. Then, mag-sign in na tayo. Yung email dito, yung kung anong Gmail yun nilagay natin kanina. So, yan. And password. So, yun na. Naka-sign in na tayo. So, pwede na tayo yung mag-search ng jobs. So, example is technician. Then, select city, Kawayan City. Yan. Find. So, ito. Nagpakita si CMD Cable, then si Silicon Valley. So, dito tayo kay CMD Cable. Yan. So, ito yung mga qualification na kailangan as a technician. So, 1 year experience, 1 year employee type, full-time and position, experience or professional. So, ito may monthly salary siya na 5,000 to 10,000 monthly. So, job description are technician are skills profession employed in almost industry. They repair, install and replace service different system and equipment. So, skills, example lang itong mga nakalagay dito, HTML, Laravel yan. So, may related jobs din kasi si MD Cable kaya nakikita din siya dito. Yun yung ay yung collector. Then, job overview, experience 1 year. Ito, makikita yung location, Dalabang Street, Kawayan City, yan. Qualification, experience, profession, industry, yan. Then, kung gusto mong makita yung profile ni CMD Cable, so pwede mo siyang view profile. So, ito yung profile niya, yan. Nakikita mo yung owner's name na si Cecilia Madrid D. Yan. Then, yung company location, ito yung pinaka main office nila. Yan. May CMD Cable talaga. Yan. Ito siya. Then, mag-apply na tayo. Then, dito, job location niya. Mapapansin nyo, same sila kasi yung main office ng CMD Cable ay yung sa pinakita ko kanina sa may company profile. Then yung job location, dito din siya madidistino kaya same sila ng location dito din sa CMD Cable Vision. Yan. Kaya same sila. Yan. Nag-apply na tayo. Yan, dati nang na-fill up. Yan, phone number. Yung message nyo ay ako work sa inyo. Yan. Then, just file. Example na lang to. Mag-upload tayo ng example resume. Yan. Example na din dito. Ito na lang. Then, example lang yan. Then, yan. Yan. Kung na-fill up mo na lahat, yan, send mo na yung application. Tingnan lang natin siya. Yan, applied successfully. So, yun lang po.